Well, hello there, everybody. I guess it's my turn to do that tag that everybody's been doing lately. It is called the Truthful YouTuber Tag. Try that 5 times in a row. The Truthful YouTuber Tag is what it's called. So I'm going to take that one on, and some of my dear friends have done it before me. And let's see how it goes. These are the questions. The first question is, have you ever received a product, tried it, didn't like it, and then decided not to review it? No, I really haven't. I actually have turned down quite a number of products based upon the thought that I probably wouldn't use it or it wouldn't work for me for one reason or another. So I've been fortunate enough to, when I have gotten them, to have liked them to a lesser or greater degree, but I'll always be honest in terms of what I do like, and I will always tell my viewers when I review something that this is my feeling about this product at this moment in time, because my feeling about it tends to change. And if it does change, I will let you know that as well. One product comes to mind in terms of that, and that one was that hair treatment thing with the terrible smell. It was a natural, I can't even remember the name of it, but it was a natural product, and I just couldn't stand the smell of it. And after I used it a few times, it did make my hair look really shiny. The shampoo, the conditioner made my hair brittle, and it actually made my hair knot, and I've never had that experience before. So that's my caveat with that. Number 2, is there a product that I use alone but don't show or use online? I think you all know me better than that. I talk too much, if anything. I certainly don't hold things back from you. I have shared all the products that I absolutely love, sometimes to my own detriment, because then they get sold out and they're not available for a while, but absolutely there's nothing that I hold back from you. Number 3, is there a product that I want but won't buy because I don't support the brand? I've never done that. I can't think of anything. No, I have never done that. I buy what I want because I think it's going to be good for me, or I think it's going to be good for you, or both of us. And I think it's going to be something that I should try to see how it works. In the earlier part of this channel, I tried a lot of products that other people were touting, even if I didn't need it. If they were talking about different foundations or whatever it was, I would try it, whether I need it or not. I don't do that really anymore because I'm very happy with what I have. So, number 4 is, do you have any blocked words? Do I have any blocked words? No, I don't. Maybe I should, but I don't. There probably are some that I should consider blocking in the future, but as of now, no. Number 5, do I delete comments? And if so, why? The only time I've ever deleted comments, I don't delete them when they're unkind. I don't delete them when they're downright nasty, usually. When they are trying to be hurtful of somebody other than myself, or when they are saying something that I find offensive, I will absolutely take those comments down. But that happens to me more in my live streams than it happens in my videos. So maybe my videos are too boring. Do I block people? I have blocked the people who have said the things that I don't want to waste time on my, again, it's always on my lives, not on my videos. So no, I really haven't blocked people on my videos. No. I actually, one of the only people I ever blocked, not here, but it was on Facebook, and I think it's really funny, you might get a kick out of it, was my friend Linda. Because prior to, during, and after the elections, she was so vociferously, one-sidedly, politically inclined, I couldn't stand it anymore. And I said, forgive me. I said, you're blocked. And I actually have never put her back. Number 7, have you ever lied about a product to stay on good terms with the brand? Absolutely not. I really don't accept that many products to begin with. I really have a good feeling about it when I do it. And generally speaking, I've been very, very fortunate in that the products that I have been given have been really something that I've enjoyed. There have been a few of them that I would not over time have gotten again, but that there were different reasons for it. But no. So the answer is no to that one. Have I ever initially liked a product when I reviewed it and then changed my mind but didn't let my audience know? No. I found out later, and I would tell you later, that there was something about the product that I didn't like or it no longer worked for me. One product comes to mind that I had tried. It was a Peter Thomas Roth product, and I adore Peter Thomas Roth. And as you know, I love his water drench, and I love his eye masks and many other things that he has in his line. But this was one of those things that was for the bags that would get rid of the look. This is when my bags looked like huge suitcases, and I really was desperate to try anything. When I first tried that, the Peter Thomas Roth product, it worked well, and I really liked it. The problem was, as I used it over time, it became an issue for me because it was burning. It was started to burn to the point where after I stopped using it, it continued to burn for weeks. So I would never use that product again. And I did afterwards, when somebody mentioned something about it, I said, I've changed my mind about it, and I really need you to know that. So, yeah. Number 9 is there an influencer or influencers that I don't trust? I'm going to say what a lot of other people have already said, but it's the truth. I cannot trust somebody who does things that are not, in my opinion, not honest. So that if somebody wants to jump over all the other channels and grow their channels quickly, we all want to do that. But those who choose to do it in a way that bypasses the hard work and everything that one puts into it to get there, there's been much talk about buying subscribers, buying views, buying whatever. I don't know exactly how that works. I've never been involved in any of that. I never got on the bandwagon of the people who really were vociferously against it. But I would not trust somebody who did that, because if in fact they did that, what else would they do that might not meet my ethical standards? So it's not any specific person, but it would be any person who did that. There's another caveat there. There's another group of people that I probably would not trust. If I see that somebody is reviewing something or talking about something or whatever, and then will do a 180, but without reason, so that it just looks good to a different audience, that would create a problem for me in trusting the person. If I trust you, I trust you. I trust everything you say. And I hope that my viewers, my subscribers trust me, because I will go out of my way to do it the best way that I know how to. Is there an influencer that I trust the most? There are so many that I really would find it hard to name them. And by naming them, I would be leaving out other people that I absolutely trust. I mean, there are people on here that I have met. You know, when I say that, I mean cyber met, that I would trust my life with. And I certainly have trusted with a lot of very personal information and things that could have come back to haunt me if I couldn't trust them, but I could. So yes, there are people that I trust on here, absolutely, and I really love. We have a great group of people, by and large, in this mature beauty community. We do. And I think we support each other in so many ways, on so many personal levels. When somebody's going through something, that we're there for them. So they are, as a group, and so many of them, I'm sure, know exactly who they are. And I'm grateful for having met them, and I'm grateful for having them in my life. Number 11, are there any secret tips or product applications that I don't show while on camera? Well, duh. This is me. I show everything. I really do. I have shown everything that I've done to change my own look. And if you take a look at my videos from the early time when I started this channel, which, by the way, next month will be 2 years. But when I first started, I think I looked much older than I look 2 years later. Poo, poo, poo. So yes, I've shown you every tip, every trick, if you consider it that I have used to get me to where I am at this moment in time. So no, I hide nothing from you. Number 12, have you ever showed one product but were actually using another? Absolutely not. I couldn't even imagine that. That would be unconscionable to me. How could I be showing something and telling you this is what I'm using or this is what works if it doesn't? Once again, it goes back to one's ethical compass, if you will. Number 13, have you ever not disclosed a sponsorship? No. I've never been sponsored per se. I have been given products to use, and they haven't even told me to review them necessarily, but they wanted me to use them and try them out. And I'm sure the goal was for me to share it with my community if I liked them. And I've always disclosed that, and we have to disclose it. That is part of our responsibility and part of the rules of doing business here. So I have absolutely never not disclosed, nor would I ever. Number 14, have you ever had a bad interaction with a brand? No, I haven't. Some relationships that I've had with brands have been shorter lived, some longer, based upon my feeling about the product. There are certain products that really resonate with me, and you know it. You can't miss it. I mean, you definitely know how I feel about something all the time. I am absolutely an open book. What you see is definitely what you get. WYSIWYG here. Number 15, have you ever bandwagoned with other people's thoughts on a particular product? Absolutely not. If other people have tried a product and a lot of them say it's great, I may try it to see if I feel the same way. And very often, I don't. Very often, my feelings are diametrically opposed to the impressions that I get from the other reviewers, and I'm sometimes really surprised by that, but absolutely no. And number 16, and this one is the last one, is the things that other creators do that get on my nerves. Things that other creators do that get on my nerves. There have been very, very few creators who get on my nerves. But when they do, it's usually one of a few reasons. One is that they keep belaboring the same thing over and over and over again. And you can watch something that goes on endlessly and they keep saying the same things over and over and over again. That is a little bit annoying to me. I think also what I find objectionable, again, is just when I feel that it's not genuine. Give me the genuine people. I think we know somehow inherently when other people are honest and open and giving and who they are, whether they are behind the camera or whether you're sitting next to them at a table having a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. So I think we all know who those people are. I think we tend to gravitate to those people. I know I do. And I think that is the story for me. So that is my take on the Truthful YouTuber. That is my take on the Truthful YouTuber tag. I hope I did it justice. If I didn't, my apologies. Thank you very much for watching. I cannot end a video without telling you what today's look is. The eye look again is the darker smoky look with the brown shadows. And I know a lot of you always gravitate to the browns. I did a little bit different makeup today. It is the Miraness, I think it's called, I don't know if it's Smooth as Silk Foundation, whatever it is. I love it. And the lipstick is, again, all in the browns. So that's the story for today. That's my take on this. Let me know what you think. Take care. I love you all. And I will see you very soon. Some of you very, very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye now.